Last night was the first time the immigrants
Yeah, subukan mo na.
experienced Halloween. They went around the community, our community, and they enjoyed it. First time. That's good.
Meron? Come on, let's go. Ayun, no, meron doon, no. Punta kayo doon. Parehas kayo skeleton. Oh, we go. Oh, they have their.
Na tayo, ikot mo balik.